how is your processing experience with Anicon? The processing experience with Anicon was very smooth, especially with the help of the Anicon team, Sir Jello, Ma'am Joanne, who answers and accommodates my questions, my concerns, even during holidays, during weekends. Sumasagot po talaga sila sa mga concerns and worries ko kasi this is my first time applying for this kind of visa abroad. So, I'm really overwhelmed with the papers and of course the requirements from the university up to the visa processing. But overall, it was a good experience and I really recommend it. Of course, very happy. My visa was approved last Wednesday and ginaid ako ni Anicon all throughout from the university application up to the visa application. Hindi sila nagmi-miss ng updates or questions or me. Hindi nila nami-miss yung questions ko regarding the requirements and other stuff. So, yes, I am very happy with the outcome of my application. Number 3, why did you choose Hanil University? Honestly, I have a few universities as my option, and Hanil was not my first choice. Pero when I started weighing yung mga factors tulad ng major, ng institution itself, and yung area ng university, I realized na Hanil was the best option for me. Kasi they offer master's degree in health management, and the institution itself has a very good foundation when it comes to nursing and healthcare. And the area, Jeonju or Wonju, is not that as expensive as the other city. So, it was very good for me, yung living expense and the living condition. And additional, the bonus of the university. Yung university situated siya sa very peaceful area surrounded by nature. So, it was an added factor for me, which is good. And that's why I chose Hanil University as the best option for me and my major. Why did you choose Anicon, and do you have any feedback? So, I found Anicon while scrolling through Facebook. And those were the times na nag-iisip ako kung gusto kong mag-masters at kung saan. So, since then, I bombarded them with questions, yung Facebook page nila. And binigay nila sa akin yung WhatsApp account ni Sir Jello to directly ask him. And they always suggest what's best for my case. So, they always find a way. And if I have any feedback, yes, of course, good feedback. Kasi all throughout, they always guide me what to do, what to get, and what to expect. They always update the situation, the status of my application. And yeah, I recommend Anicon for anyone who wants to study abroad. They always suggest or make a way for your cases or your situations. What are you looking forward to your new journey in Korea? Of course, number 1 is the cultural immersion and the language learning. Especially, ang area ng university ko is around Jeonju, which is a very famous tourist spot. Kung saan sinut yung 25-21. So, it's mostly the culture. Since hindi mo na siya mapapanood sa Facebook, mararanasan mo na siya personally. That's what I'm looking forward to in Korea. And of course, the food. So, yeah. Hi, I'm Erica and I'll be taking my master's degree in South Korea with the help of Anicon. And I'm inviting everyone who wants to take their journey in South Korea, or you can check their Facebook page on what countries they accommodate. They will help you from the decision making to the university application and the visa processing. So I recommend everyone to start their visa application with Anicon. Thank you.